name is Anna. Welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. As you can see by the ingredients, today we're going to be making a delicious salad, but not just any salad. We're going to be making a fall inspired salad, and we're going to be using our leftover Thanksgiving turkey. We're also going to be making our own vinaigrette. There's an apple cider vinaigrette, and it's absolutely sensational. It goes so well with this recipe. So again, let me show you what we're gonna need. Obviously, you can use whatever you have at hand. You can switch things up to your liking, but this is kind of like somewhat what you're gonna need, and then you do your own thing. You know what I mean? For the salad itself, you're going to need, of course, some greens. This is like a baby spinach salad mix. I don't remember exactly what it is, but your favorite salad. You're going to need some apples and pears, turkey meat. You can also use chicken meat, dried cranberries, and if you don't have dried cranberries, but you have fresh cranberry sauce that you made the day before, go ahead and use that. It's going to be absolutely delicious. Some pecans. You're going to need obviously some type of cheese if you like. I'm using feta here. And then for the dressing itself, you're going to need olive oil. Make sure it's the good olive oil, like the dark kind, the extra virgin olive oil, apple cider vinegar, some honey, Dijon mustard, and then you're going to need not this whole shallot, but a little bit of the shallot. The first thing we're gonna do is make our dressing so we can have it ready for whenever we need it. And this is just very, very simple. You can even do it in the same bowl that you're going to be tossing your salad in, but I'm just gonna do it in here because for the purpose of the video, I'm gonna do it in here. So to it, you're pretty much gonna add all of the ingredients, the olive oil, make sure it's extra virgin if you can, apple cider vinegar, some honey, our Dijon mustard right in there. And I'm not using a lot because Dijon mustard can be very strong. So if you like a little bit more, go ahead and add a little bit more to your liking. But the amount that I use is perfect for me. And then last but not least, we're going to grate some shallot into our dressing. Obviously, you can chop your shallot, you can mince it very finely, but I really like to grate it because first of all, it's easier, and second, you really don't have those big chunks, which I do not like in my dressing, but the shallot's going to give it an absolutely fantastic flavor. You can also use garlic if you don't have shallots, but I really like the taste that it gives. And then of course, you're going to need some salt, okay, to taste, and some black pepper. We're going to give it a nice mix. Okay, now we're gonna put that aside. The next thing I'm going to do is dice my apples, and then I'm gonna meet you back here so we can put the whole thing together. I am done with my apples, and make sure you drizzle it with a little bit of lemon juice so it doesn't turn brown. Okay, I'm done with the pear, and I'm gonna do the same thing, just drizzle it with a little bit of lemon juice. Now that we have everything ready, we just have to assemble the whole thing, and then like I said, I'm gonna be mixing this in a bigger bowl. I personally like to add a little bit of the dressing first. Okay, now I'm going to toss it, and now we just add pretty much the rest of the ingredients. So I'm gonna add a little bit of turkey, the apples and pears. Okay, I'm gonna be snacking on the rest. That's why I always cut a little bit more. Cranberries, pecans, another toss, and then lastly, I like to add the cheese. So, okay, tons of feta cheese because I love feta cheese. Okay, one last mix. Add a little more vinaigrette if you wish. I'm gonna add a tiny bit more. Our salad is ready. As you can see, it's very simple to make. It's very delicious, and it's nice and refreshing. Let me get some greens, some apples. I wanna have everything. I wanna get everything with my fork. Okay, everything in one fork. This is what I'm talking about. So good. You got the apples and the cranberries and the pecans. You can even use walnuts if you have. And then it's gonna give it a really nice crunch. It's gonna act as a crouton. It's gonna give you that crunch to the salad. Then you got the greens. The vinaigrette, it's like out of this world phenomenal. It's so good. And like always, you can find the written recipe on my website, www.anitasdelightsrecipes.com. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I have nothing else to say. This is absolutely delicious, and I might have half of this all by myself. If you make it, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram, #AnitasDelightsRecipes, so I can see how yours came out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.